Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your currency inside of Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. Now, in saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if we head on over to Roblox and I'm signed into my account. Now if I go ahead and buy Robux, it's going to open up the page here, and then from here we can see the currency that it is set to. So I'm in Australia, so this is going to be A, and then the money price. So now if I want to go ahead and change the currency on this, what we need to do is head on up to the URL section and then just get rid of that stuff there and type in support. So basically we've got to open up a support ticket to let Roblox know that we want to go ahead and change our currency. So put in your username, first name, these are optional, but you got to make sure you got your email address that you want to change your currency, in-game currency in. And also from here, what device are you having a problem on? So I'm using a PC, and then type of help category. Now we want to go ahead and click on how to, and then make sure to change the help subcategory type to change my location. Now basically in here we can view the account location article if you like, but I found the best way to do this is to describe your issue here. So you say inside of here something along the lines, please help me change my in-game currency, and then click continue. So yeah, it should look similar like this. Obviously your email address, your username, but the bottom should be kind of similar, and then click continue, and then Roblox will get back to you in 24 to 48 hours to change your currency.